Welcome to PromeAI Academy. In the sidebar, select Model to enter the consistent model. Click Create Model to make your own model. Here, you'll find instructions on how to fill out each section and how it affects the model. Click to upload reference images, which will help generate the model you want. This section requires a brief description of the scene you wish to generate. Click Train to train the model. Once the model is ready, click to enter it. In the upper left corner, you can upload your sketches, making the final results more controllable. Click Generate to see the house generated from 3 different angles. Such consistent results can be effectively used in architectural design workflows. That's it for this episode. See you next time.